Do we even have hobbies anymore? Or everything is now business and numbers? Okay, so this is something I've been thinking about lately. Why does everything have to be a business idea or an opportunity to make money or monetize? You enjoy cooking, why not start a channel? You go to the gym, sell a program. You share content online, monetize it. It's like the moment you're enjoying something, somebody somewhere is telling you you need to monetize it. You need to start making money from it and make it a business. But don't get me wrong, doing what you love and making money from it sounds great, but I think we're just taking it too far. Because the moment you start thinking about money, algorithm, audience, something changes. The thing you used to do because you love it suddenly feels like work to you. Even with the content thing for me, sometimes I just want to talk about an idea, I just explore it, but then my brain kicks in. Is this topic good? Will people click it? Is this monetizable? And I catch myself like, wait, why can't this be fun? Why does there have to be a strategy behind everything? I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it, but it makes me wonder, do we even have hobbies anymore? Or everything is now business and numbers? I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think. I'll see you on the next one.